Today I am sharing with you my new Wantable. This is the Active Edit, and to be honest, you guys, I didn't even know that this was coming because I thought I had canceled this. I usually like to get the style box whenever there's some kind of box that I'm interested in. Like right now, I think they have the resort box. So I'm thinking about possibly getting that one. But the only time I had ever gotten an Active was during the Cozy-tober because I just wanted to see what they would have. I felt like the things were a little bit too expensive. So I chose to cancel the Active Edit, or at least I thought I did. And I didn't even know this box was coming. So I have no idea what's in this. And you do have the 5 days that you can return this. There is a $20 styling fee, but anything that you purchase from this box, that $20 does go toward. But I really do prefer Stitch Fix over Wantable because I can get some really budget-friendly items from Stitch Fix, and I feel like Wantable is a little bit more expensive, and I've not really felt like Wantable has grasped my style yet. This is how it is wrapped up, so it does have that little personalization sticker on the top that says Styled for Amanda. So let's just go ahead and see what's in the bundle. Here is the bundle. Looks like some burgundy, grays, greens in here. And then you do have your package to send anything back that you don't want. And then you also have the card in here that says that it is the Active Edit. And it looks like Helena is my stylist, which is different from the last Active Edit that I had received. But let's just see what's inside. So it looks like there's a pair of leggings, and I'm pretty good on leggings, so I'm not sure I really need any. So this is from Interval. And it's the Space Dye Everyday Crossover Legging in Heather Charcoal, size medium. And this says it's $89. The next thing looks like some joggers from Interval as well. And it's the Crescent Jogger in Navy, size medium, $74. So it looks like this may be a matching piece because it is from Interval and it might match those joggers. It's the Half Moon Pullover in Navy, and this one's $68. So we'll see how that looks with the joggers. Now this next thing is super soft. I'm actually really liking this. This color's really pretty too, but it's like a plush velvet, so it feels nice. It's also from Interval. That must be a very popular brand for their Active Edits. Okay, so I do not see any kind of tag in here. And it looks like this one, they sized up to a large. So it's got nice fleece on the inside, and then this almost like a velour with a satin trim on the outside. So depending on how much this is nice. Ooh, this feels good too, whatever this is. So this is from Thrive Society, and it is the Luxe Sports Blazer in black, size medium, but it is $120, guys. Ooh, it's gonna have to feel really good for that price. Oh, but it's nice though. And then next up is something else from Interval, and it looks like it might be a cardigan that's a hoodie. It is the Carefree Solid Cardigan in Heathered Spruce up, $78. It feels nice, but we'll have to see. We'll try that on with those leggings. And then the last thing, this also feels good too, is the Flex Fleece V-neck top in 4-leaf clover, size medium, $79 from Interval. So I'm not sure about this color of green, if I like this or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try everything on, tell you the price of each individual piece, because I know sometimes there is a clearance and it doesn't show it on this tag. And then we'll just see the total and I'll give you my final thoughts. So I went ahead and started off with the matching set. So these are both from Interval, and this is just the pullover crew neck sweatshirt. And then this is the joggers. They have this drawstring, side pockets, no back pockets. And they do have that jogger style. Now, these are not loose at all. These are more of a fitted style jogger. This is the Half Moon Pullover. It's $68. And the bottoms are the Crescent Jogger, and they are $74. So I actually went ahead and put this jacket on while I still had that navy two-piece set on, because I thought this color looked really pretty with the navy. Now this is that jacket that has that plush velvet-like feel on the outside, and then it's got that nice fleece on the inside to keep it warm. There's zipper pockets, and I love the color of this. And it's got that really neat detail of that satin trim that's along the bottom of the sleeves. Now they did send this one to me in a size up, which is a large, which I like because of the fact that With jackets, a lot of times I do like to size up. The sleeves are a little bit too long, but you know, that's always the case for me. So this is the Freestyle Fleece Jacket in Rose Brown. It is $78. So it doesn't look like anything on here was on a clearance, but this feels really nice. And then I also went ahead and put this cardigan on with that same navy jogger and sweatshirt. So this is something that's super soft. And it's got these drawstrings because it does have a hoodie, a thinner hoodie, a longer style cardigan that's just a drape front, and it does have these side pockets. It's a really pretty green color. But here's the thing, I think this one's $79 maybe, and a lot of times I can get Barefoot Dreams on sale at QVC for this same price, so I'd rather have that kind of feel than this one. So this one is the Carefree Solid Cardigan and heathered spruced up, and it is $78. So for $78, a lot of times I can get a Barefoot Dreams that I like the feel of it a little bit better. Next up, I'm just keeping those navy two-piece sets on, and then I've got that blazer that they sent. Now, this is a great material. It has that silky, slinky feel, this ribbed cuff at the bottom, so it makes it a little bit more casual that way, but it feels really nice and luxurious. Double buttons, top pockets, and then just have this venting in the back. So I do like this. So I actually really like this outfit, but here's the thing. I'm not sure if this green is my color or not, but this is so super soft. The inside of this feels so good. It has that brushed fleece that's so comfortable. And I love the slits on the side, how it's a little bit longer in the back, so it does look really good with these leggings. It's got a nice V-neck. So I like the style of this one and the fit and how it feels. It feels really nice, but I'm just not sure about the color. And then the leggings, I actually really like the leggings. They're very nice and comfortable. They have this space style look, like in the charcoal, if you can see that. So it's got that crossover band, which sometimes I don't like because of the fact that it kind of makes me have a muffin top, but this is high enough that it doesn't kind of cut in, and it's got a really wide waistband. It's very comfortable, and it feels nice. It feels almost like they're fleece lined on the inside. The length is good, and they feel very soft and comfortable. So this sweatshirt is the Flex Fleece V-neck top in 4-leaf clover, $79. So this is a sweatshirt. I mean, there's nothing special about this sweatshirt. It does feel good. It feels nice and cozy. I mean, like, I really would like to wear this for the rest of the day because it feels so nice and comfortable. And then the leggings are the Space Dye Everyday Crossover Legging in Heather Charcoal. These leggings are $89. The total for all 7 of these items is $586. If I get 5 or more, you get 20% off. That would take one at $17.20 off, making the total $468.80 if you take off the styling fee. And with Wantable, they add tax. Stitch Fix does not do that. $21.95, and then put in your sales tax. And then the total for my order would be $492.56. So for the 7 items that I shared with you, the total is almost $500. So let me just give you my final thoughts on this box. I actually liked everything from this box. I thought everything fit nice. It felt good. It felt cozy. The material felt really nice. Nothing was itchy. Everything felt good, soft, comfortable against the skin. Not sure about the color of this one. This one fits so nice though. It feels so good. And then these leggings were nice. They feel good. They fit good. They're soft. They're not uncomfortable. The waistband feels really nice. That 2-piece that had the pullover sweatshirt and the joggers, they felt so nice as well. It was a really good 2-piece set. And that blazer felt really nice. I loved the material of it. It was that silky, slinky material. The cardigan, that green cardigan, was really nice. It was a nice lightweight, perfect for traveling, perfect for those days when you're transitioning. I think that's everything except this jacket. Now, this jacket is $79, but you know, I've paid the $20 styling fee, so I feel like I always need to get at least one item from the box. And this one is something that I don't have. This is a jacket that I don't have. This feels so nice. I mean, it literally almost feels like a velvet. And this is also a color I don't have. They're calling it rose brown. So it has like a pinky brown undertone. And I love this. I think this is really good. So I think this is the only thing that I'm going to keep out of the box. I just like that this is different than anything that I have. And if you've liked this video and enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Oh, and I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.